Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever stared at your lashes in the mirror and wished they could look instantly fuller, longer, and perfectly defined without clumping or flaking? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today with Max Factor's Masterpiece Max Mascara in black, a product that promises bold, thick lashes with sleek definition. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a beauty tip that actually works. This mascara comes in a 7.2 milliliter tube and features Max Factor's patented IFX brush, designed to deliver precision with every swipe. The goal here is to give your lashes a thick, voluminous appearance while maintaining smoothness and separation, so you get a dramatic yet polished look. It's marketed as a one-step solution for bold lashes without the need for layering multiple coats. Testing it out in my everyday routine, I found the application to be remarkably smooth. The IFX brush really does help coat each lash evenly, which minimizes clumping and creates a nice separation from root to tip. One swipe gives a noticeable lift and thickness, while multiple swipes can intensify the effect without looking spidery. The formula dries fairly quickly and maintains its shape throughout the day, resisting smudging or flaking under normal conditions, which is always a win in a mascara. One of the things I noticed immediately is the balance between volume and definition. Some mascaras bulk up lashes, but leave them stiff or uneven. This one manages to enhance fullness while keeping lashes flexible and natural looking. On the downside, if you have very fine lashes, you may need a couple of layers to achieve maximum impact. And those with sensitive eyes should test it first, as the formula is not explicitly labeled hypoallergenic. The pros here are clear: excellent lash separation, buildable volume, smooth application, and a sophisticated finish that's suitable for both daytime and evening looks. The main cons: slight need for layering on very fine lashes, and lack of detailed sensitivity information for those with ultra-sensitive eyes. In terms of value, the Masterpiece Max Mascara is reasonably priced for a premium drugstore mascara. Considering the performance, brush design, and the fact that it delivers a bold, polished look without multiple products, it feels justified. When compared to similar mascaras in the mid-range market, like Maybelline's Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise, Max Factor holds up well. Its IFX brush offers more precision for defined lashes, which some competitors lack. The packaging is sturdy and practical, and the wand design ensures longevity in use. The tube feels durable, and the brush maintains its shape even after repeated applications. Daily use over a few weeks showed no significant drying out of the formula, so it's reliable for everyday wear. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. Max Factor is generally known for responsive customer service, though I haven't had direct interaction with them for this product. The brand has a solid reputation, so any issues are usually handled efficiently. For those on a tighter budget, alternatives like Maybelline Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise can offer similar bold volume and definition, though the unique IFX brush precision is what sets Max Factor apart. Overall, the Masterpiece Max Mascara delivers on its promises for bold, thick, and defined lashes. It's ideal for someone who wants a dramatic yet polished lash look without fussing over multiple coats or tools. While not perfect for extremely sensitive eyes or those needing extreme lash extension effects, it's a standout for everyday glam. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. The link to grab your Masterpiece Max Mascara is in the comments or description box. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.